Got this MP3 player here. These guys sent me to review. I'm gonna do an unboxing on it, check it all out. Yeah, this thing's looking pretty tough. It's got like a hard case to it. It's got a real rigid outer frame structure. I like that. Got some heft to it. Right, here's the things that came with it. And one of the cool things I'm really happy about is it looks like it comes with a screen protector here, so we'll be putting that on, and a USB charger. One, two, three, and it's on. To run through the options, again, this thing fired up right out of the box. Didn't need to charge it. Photo, ebook, to toggle back and forth is the left and right here. Ebook photos, ebook, recorder, Bluetooth, right? FM radios, the folders, music. That's the one I'm going to be using a lot. Let's toggle back to music. So if you want to go forward there, or you can just shoot it this way. Well, there's the power right there at the top, that big silver button. And then volume up and down, and then you can put your micro SD card in there, and that's where your charging port right there. Okay, this thing does not come with headphones, and you know, I think they figure everybody's got their own personal headphones that they prefer. There's so many options out there. Okay, let's get right to it. The main thing I'm going to be using this for is music right now, and so I'm going to go ahead and try to connect this to the computer and download some music to this thing. All right, so my process, so wherever you have your music files stored, you're gonna need to drag them from there to this Z6. I've got an Apple computer, so if you don't see this right away, unplug your MP3 player and plug it back in, and then the Z6 will show up. And then we're gonna open up this window. This is my my disk that, my hard drive that I've got the music saved to, and I'm gonna drag it to the Z6. I'll show you. Okay, I realize the resolution's a little funky just from the camera angle, but I'm just gonna use this Rise Against album to kind of show you. So this is the Seagate side. So then I right click on that and I drag it right over here. I'm just gonna drop it right there. And then it shows up right over here. Now it's on the MP3 player, it's that easy. Okay, on this Apple computer, here is the file for the MP3 player. I'm gonna go ahead and check this out, see what the sound quality is on it. It's got a few albums I downloaded. I got a whole bunch to put on there still. Okay, let's check out the music quality on this. You wanna go to music, you push play, and then right and left. Let's go all songs, push play, and then how about shuffle all? Now it's playing. Okay, I got the headphones in my ears right now, and it is so loud. This is incredible. I'm actually one that likes the volume way up, and this thing is working awesome. And it sounds so clear. It's amazing sound. This is probably the best MP3 player sounding wise that I've ever owned. Just sounds amazing. Let's go volume up. Oh wow, one thing that just happened is I unplugged my earbuds, and then it's got a speaker on it. I can't play it right now because I'll get some copyright issues. It'll play FM radio as well. Of course, you get the Bluetooth. You can hook up your speakers or some wireless earbuds as well. Okay, it's got a recorder function. Let's try that out. Push play and start voice recording. Okay, let's try that. Okay, so it'll allow you, so when I was done, I pushed play, and then I pushed this button here, the kind of like the refresh or return button. It says save recording. Sure, yes. And let's go recordings library. You guys won't be able to hear it, but I will because I got my earbuds on. Yep, there it is. Okay, I went to turn this thing off and it froze up on me. So what I'm gonna do is just use push the reset button. And the reset button is that little hole right here located between the SD chip and the power charger. I can try that with the back of an earring. I'm using. So I'm just gonna hold that down. Okay, and it worked. It reset. So if that happens, that's all you got to do. Boom, back in action. I can try that with the back of an earring I'm using. So I'm just gonna hold that down. Okay, and it worked. It reset. So if that happens, that's all you got to do. Boom, back in action.